Ready?
Steady.
Go.
Yes, you cut my hair. Cut your hair?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want big cut or little cut?
Big cut.
Big cut? Oh, I don't think I'm ready. I don't think I'm ready. I haven't cut his hair in like 2, maybe 3 months. I want to do something different. And now that it's come down to it, I'm freaking out a little bit. I don't know what to do. I kind of want to shave it like a fade, like a bald fade like my husband has. But then I feel like I might regret it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just cut half of it off. And then if I change my mind, I can just grow it back into the ponytail. So I don't know, I feel like I should shave it. Shave it?
Shave it. Didn't say shave it.
Save it.
Shave it.
Save it.
Shave it. Yay!
I don't know.
You cut a little bit off them first.
I can't. No, I can't. I can't shave it.
But don't
Should I
shave
shave
it
it?
like mine. Shave it like number 3 or 4.
Let's start slow. Whoa. Where's Jaden? Where's Jaden? Where's Jaden? Zayden is almost turning 3 years old. He's like 2.5, and he's always had this hair. I can't breathe. This is all I've known on him. Ready?
Ready?
Steady.
Go.
I regret it already. Instant regret. Instant regret. Zayden, what happened? So he has like a 10-minute attention span for this, so we're just gonna go very quickly and just kind of do whatever we can. I'm cutting it in a way that like, this feels wrong. I'm cutting it in a way that if I change my mind, I can just grow it back into the ponytail for now, and then it won't be like that hard to grow back out. So, and his hair grows really fast. So this isn't actually going to be like the hugest commitment, because we can very easily reverse this back into the ponytail. Are you freaking out, babe?
No, I'm real happy.
You're ready for this, aren't you? So if you guys want to know whose idea this was Ken's idea. This was hubby's idea. He was like, babe, it's time for a change. And I was like, you know what? You're right. It is time for a change, because Zayden's getting older now, and his hair, like, he's starting to pull his ponytail out. Whereas when he was younger, he didn't even know the ponytail was there. But now he like pulls the ponytail out, and then he runs around and it gets so tangled, and then like he like cries when I take the tangles out, and then it makes me just feel so guilty, because I'm like, you know, he's a little boy, like he shouldn't be like maintaining his hair and getting upset over it. Like he should be just living his life, you know what I mean? And whereas when he was a baby, he was able to just like do whatever he wants without his hair affecting him. But now that he's like aware of his hair, you know what I mean, it's like affecting him day to day, and I definitely don't want him to give a shit about his hair or what he looks like, you know? So I'm cutting it just so he can have more of like a little carefree vibe. You look cute, Z. You look so cute. You don't care. You just want your pillow.
Mommy, my pillow, my pillow. My hair on my pillow.
Your hair's on your jello?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, take it out.
More jello. Give me more jello. More jello. Mommy, I like it.
You like it? You like your haircut or the jello?
A jello.
You like the jello?
Yes.
Woo! How do you feel?
Good. Been waiting for this for a while.
You guys can't see on camera, but Ken has like the most evil smile on his face right now. This was all his plot against Zayden having a bomb ponytail. Ken hated that ponytail. Okay. Woo! I think we're ready. You like it? You want it shorter? Now you're just pushing it. Zayden looks so cool. I just gave him a shower and put your stocking on, Zayden. So we're just gonna put a little bit of like shea butter in his hair. It's like a cream that I make, and I've posted it on my channel before. I'll actually link it down below if you guys wanna see how to make it. It's the only thing I use in the kids' hair because it's all natural. Where are you going? Come back. So his hair is just towel dried right now, and I'm gonna put like a big generous kind of dollop of shea butter cream. I know his hair looks really crazy right now, but that's because I didn't really style it. I just towel dried it, which is realistically what's gonna happen every day. Like, I'm not gonna sit there with a brush and like a blow dryer and style his hair. So we're just gonna kind of work with the crazy. It's a nice hair shape. Thank you, mommy.
Thank you, Mom.
You like it? I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel. Do you guys like it? Who are you? Where's my son? Where's my son? Stop smiling. Ken loves this haircut. Oh my god. Where's my Zayden? Where's my Zayden? Where's my Zayden? Where did my Zayden go? Where did my Zayden go? Huh?
This is the din I was missing.
Oh my god. Who is he?
Like your hair?